There's a lot of industrial business going on over on Ormiston Road, and then we're just going for a morning drive on such a lovely sunny day, and I don't start work till this afternoon, so just see where the car takes us. This is East Tamaki, and you can go this way to Flatbush or Manukau, but it's just a lovely day just for a peaceful drive. I wonder where we're going to end up. I've just had my first checkup after my knee surgery. I have having double knee replacement, and the surgeon was very impressed with how I'm doing and how much progress I've made, and Tua has just taken a day off work to come with me, because Tua comes to all the appointments because he's a loving husband, and we'll just see where we end up.